the threshold before we can say there is a normal market. And if I scroll up, you will see the entire is nothing happened. Hello and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq scalping bot. It's a bot made in Python with the goal to have some passive income by doing automated trading on the Nasdaq. And in a daily report, I tell you guys how the bot is doing, what I changed in the code, and how he's doing on the market. And if you want to know how we did today, just stay. And before we continue, please subscribe and like, because I see a lot of people looking at my videos but don't leave a like or subscribe, and that's not nice. It's a work. I do a lot of work in it. I make a lot of work of it to do this for you and for me, so a like wouldn't be that bad, and it helps me and the algorithm to find my channel better. So please press like. And for the daily report, well, let's take a look at the bot. And if we take a look at the bot, we see the bot is white. And when the bot is white, means nothing happened. The bot isn't being active at all. Usually it's white when I restarted it, and then you can see that I restarted today, a couple of hours ago, and then it's still white. But now if you look at the bot, you see I started it yesterday about, no, it's 23:31, so I started 23 hours ago, the bot, and in 23 hours nothing interesting happened. And if we're not looking at the bot, but we take the code, then you see in the lower half of the editor, you see a print, echoes, and the first is the threshold, the 0.9 is the threshold that there should be a minimum change of the threshold before we can say there is a normal market. And if I scroll up, you will see the entire is nothing happened. Oh no, nothing, all zeros, not even once a 9 or 1 dot something. No, nothing, only zeros, only very low and very short changes in candles, which other means we had a slow day the entire day. Yeah, we can look at the market if you want to. Let's take the market. You see the market is there, and there was trading on the market. Oh, not this one. That's not fair. This is correct. So there was some trading on the market, but if I blow it up, you see too many ups and downs, and we trained the bot not to react on all those ups and downs, and the candles were small, although you see a long wicks everywhere, but in between these were small candles shown by the numbers you see right here. So nothing happened and nothing is there. So it's, I believe, the shortest one yet. I don't know, what are we up? 4 minutes? Please watch the entire 4 minutes, because I need the viewing time also. It's not good, but I make short videos and then people only look at it for 2 minutes, probably just to see the end, and then not do anything. And it's 4 or 5 minutes. Please watch it. I can use the viewing time too. And if you like it, like I said, like the video. Press subscribe if you want to see more on how this bot is doing and how I make this bot ready for taking it to the next step, and that's trading with real money and not only the demo account that you're looking at, but with real money, and then see how we do. And if you want to know how the progress is, subscribe, and we will see each other tomorrow again. But for today, all I have to say is have a little fun every day. See you guys tomorrow.